if any of the crew comes in Mumbai to shoot, definitely they want to be a part of Dharavi. They want to shoot in Dharavi. They want to find a character in Dharavi. They want to see the slums. For finding a character, for me it is very easy. You send me anywhere. I know how to find it. My name is Rajesh Prabhakar, and what I do is like research, you can say. Like in Western country they call as fixer, but here I do mostly a research job. After Slumdog Millionaire, people also started approaching most to like in Dharavi. Like more people are coming to Dharavi to see exactly what it is.
My name is Susanna Heath-Eves. I'm from Montreal in Canada, and I've been living here in Mumbai for the last 5 months, and I'm working on a documentary about the city.
12 and going maximum till -6.
Perfect. I didn't want to go into Dharavi by myself. It wouldn't make sense, you know. I need someone from Dharavi to take me through it. It's so huge. I can't just do Dharavi. I need someone to sort of break it down and take a little chunk off of it, and so I can process it and understand a little part of it.
If I don't have any work, I just go out, talk to 10 people. I don't know who these 10 people are. The idea is to talk to 10 people, any of the people. Like he can be a panwala, he can be anybody. If I'm going to a hotel having a cold drink or something, I speak to the waiter. So for me, he is the story for me. So I don't know, like if somebody asks me, okay, do you have a waiter who can speak English? Yeah, I have. So like that I speak to 10 people. That 10 people is my data. Like, so from last so many years I'm doing the same thing. So I have a bunch of data. Like if anybody asks me of research or they ask me, okay, we need to find this, I just sit for 10 minutes and I just think of, okay, where to find this, where to find this guy. And not only finding the people, like you need to find something different. The story should be always something different, then only they will approach you. So I have a big data for that. For me, Google is nothing for me, because what character I am finding, I can't find it in Google. The idea is that I research these people, I find these people and I put them into the Google.